Bacon mask? Never heard of it! These burgers smell so nice! One of them is classic, and the other one is made using a special healthy recipe. Cut an avocado in half. Take out the seed. Peel it. Trim the bottom so the avocado can stay still. Fill both halves with cream cheese. Slice radish and tomato. Place radish, tomato, cheese, and lettuce onto the avocado in layers. Cover it with the other avocado half. Coat it with olive oil and sprinkle it with black sesame seeds. Join the burger with a skewer. My friend is finally here! Jessica is so tired and she's hungry enough to eat a horse. Stop! Put on gloves first! Jessica starts the taste test. Let's try it! The classic burger is amazing, as always. And now let's taste the healthy vegan gluten-free burger. It's amazing! Jessica can't decide which one is better, so she eats both. Yummy! Having troubles with Raffaello? Here, take my healthy candies. Mix dried apricots, raisins, candied fruit, seedless dates, and pumpkin seeds in a blender. Make balls out of the mixture. Cover them with shredded coconut or wafer crumbs. These candies are a blessing for everybody who loves sugar. They're made out of healthy, sweet, and natural ingredients. And while Jess is distracted by the healthy food, I can save her from her sweet Raffaello temptation. You will thank me later. Skateboarding makes you so thirsty. What do you prefer, regular Sprite or healthy homemade lemonade? Cut up some lime and lemon. Pour water into a big cup. Add honey to it. Stir it thoroughly. Put in lemon, lime, and fresh mint leaves. Add more water and ice. Put on a cap and add a straw. Let's taste and compare the drinks. Ew, it's sour! Lemonade is healthy, of course, but it's way too sour. Rosie goes for some Sprite. That's okay. All the more vitamins for Jess. Let's have a picnic outside. It's time to take out our supplies. What do we have here? Burritos? Rosie has a regular one, and Jess made a burrito with sweet and healthy fruit. Chopped mango, apple, dried apricots, banana, dates, and mint. Put all the ingredients onto a spinach tortilla. Grate fresh coconut on top. Add some non-fat plain yogurt. Wrap up the tortilla. Cover the fruit burrito with foil. I reveal the healthy burritos recipe to my friend. Nothing but fruits and no fat. Try it. Not bad, but it's way too fruity. At the end of the day, no banana or dates can replace the taste of a real burrito. A donut made out of an apple? Why not? It's healthy and beautiful. Peel a big apple. Cut out the core. Cut off both sides. Trim the remaining piece with a knife to shape a donut. Cover the surface with lemon juice so the apple doesn't oxidize. Coat it with non-fat yogurt on top as glaze. Decorate the apple donut with colorful candied fruit. A cup of tea and a donut are a match made in heaven. Jessica is eating a plain one, and my donut is made out of an apple. That can't be true. You're kidding. No way! It's actually an apple. Let's taste it. Not bad, but the real donut is still better and more delicious. Jessica has just been at a new hot dog place. She grabbed a few treats. One hot dog is plain and the other one is super healthy. It's made out of veggies and cheese. Want some? Cut the stem off a sweet red pepper and take out the core. Put cream cheese into a pastry bag and fill the pepper with it. Add turmeric and paprika to Greek yogurt. Make colored sauces. Put the pepper into romaine leaves. Pour the colored yogurt sauces on top. A healthy hot dog is the new symbol of our veggie diet. Let's taste our hot dogs on the count of 3. Not bad. Let's swap. We taste both hot dogs and decide that Jessica likes the classic one more, and Rosie likes the new veggie hot dog. Rosie cooked the healthiest breakfast. No eggs were broken in the making of this dish. Pour yogurt onto a plate to be shaped like a fried egg white. Put on a half of a canned peach to be an egg yolk. Cut a block of dried mashed apples into long, thin slices. Bend it into waves to look like fried bacon. Add strawberry jam instead of ketchup. Jessica is half asleep, so she can't figure out what's wrong with this fried egg. Why is the yolk separate from the white? It's a peach! How delicious! Well, Rosie will have to eat her unhealthy breakfast. Apparently, there's healthy ice cream on the menu. Let's see how good it is. Mix banana and strawberries in a blender. Pour it into a bowl and freeze it for 4 to 5 hours until it solidifies completely. Stir it occasionally. Decorate the ice cream with shredded coconut and mint leaves. So, what do you think? This ice cream is super healthy. Try it! Not bad, but I would still choose the real ice cream made out of real milk. An interesting book and healthy chips is a great combo. Cut apples into thin slices. Place them onto a plate. Put it into a microwave. Cook the apples for 5 minutes on high. Turn them over and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes more. Let the chips cool. What is my friend reading? And are these new chips? Apple chips? How interesting! What if I make a sandwich from regular and apple chips? Oh yes! I invented a new dish! Apple and bacon flavored chips. Well, to each their own snacks. The friends are having a snack and watching TV. Jessica made nuggets, but they are not plain, they are super healthy. Cut a pumpkin into slices. Peel them and cut out pieces of different sizes, shaped like chicken nuggets. Coat them with olive oil. Sprinkle them with salt and spices. Cover them with sesame seeds and place onto parchment paper. Bake them for 20 minutes at 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop parsley, bell pepper, and tomato for the side dish. Finely chop garlic. Mix the ingredients. Add salt and pepper. Place the salad into a little bowl. Serve it with the pumpkin nuggets. Here are my classic nuggets delivered from McDonald's. Let's compare them. The chicken nuggets are way too plain, but the taste of the pumpkin nuggets is actually very nice, and they look better. The healthy pumpkin nuggets are definitely a great idea for a meal. Did you like our healthy dishes? Then let us know in the comments what you like more, junk food or healthy food. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new healthy menu ideas from Troom.